Travel night, hostile outlet chaos, chargers tangled, devices dying fast. Presentation. Morning, phone at 5%, laptop battery. Warning blinking. No spare outlets, bulky adapters blocked every socket. Panic rising. Dorm room nights, roommates fighting over that single power strip. I needed a compact, powerful solution for 10 devices. Scrolling late, I discovered BESHON power strip in an ad. Curious, I tapped reviews. Users raved about three-sided layout. Fast shipping, compact box arrived, first impression, sleek white finish feature that hooked me. Three-side design accepts bulky adapters easily. Also loved, 2 USB-C ports, delivering fast, 3 amp charging 5-foot braided cord, and right angle flat plug. Fit tight spaces. 900J surge protection gave me confidence for expensive gadgets. Setup, URS instant. Wall mount, hang slot, plug, switch, power. I plugged 6 devices plus 4 phones. No blocking anywhere. USB, auto detect. Charged my phone faster than hotel outlets. Bulky laptop adapter fit alongside chargers without crowding sockets. Overload. Protection tripped once during spike, saved my devices instantly. Compact footprint, freed desk space. Cable tangles disappeared immediately. Travel-friendly design slipped into my bag for weekend trips. Students, dorm setups got neater, roommates stopped stealing outlets. Office. Conference rooms now handle multiple chargers and laptops smoothly. I felt relieved. Every device charging, surge light glowing green. The 3-side layout is a game changer for adapter compatibility. USB-C, fast charge, got my phone to usable battery in minutes. Safety certifications. ETL, FCC, RoHS, reassured me about quality build. Compact sturdy shell, rated flame retardant for long-lasting protection. Now I travel, work, study without hunting for outlets anymore. Imagine ditching outlet fights, messy cables, and slow phone charging. Are you ready to upgrade your charging game right this minute? Grab a BESHON power strip now. Limited travel stock available. Subscribe to our channel to watch new product review videos every day. Thank you.